Can a budget tablet really game with the big boys? We're taking the brand new OnePlus Pad Go 2, launching December 2025, and throwing it into the ring against today's priciest flagship tablets. Forget spec sheets, we're pushing graphics to the limit with the most demanding mobile games to see if this Go model truly lives up to its name, or if it's just another pretty screen. Did you know that the OnePlus Pad Go 2 has a refresh rate of up to 120 Hz? That means buttery smooth gameplay and a seriously immersive experience. The OnePlus Pad Go 2 is generating quite the buzz as a gaming tablet. It's designed to offer an enhanced gaming experience with its powerful specs and sleek design. Gamers are excited to get their hands on it, and for good reason. This tablet promises to deliver high-quality graphics and seamless performance. OnePlus is a well-known manufacturer in the tech industry, especially for its smartphones. However, they've also ventured into the tablet market, aiming to make a mark with devices like the OnePlus Pad Go 2. Their reputation for quality and innovation precedes them, making this tablet something to look forward to. The company has a history of producing high-performance devices, and the OnePlus Pad Go 2 seems to be no exception. With its robust specs and gaming-centric features, it's poised to compete with other major players in the tablet market. The OnePlus Pad Go 2 boasts an impressive 11.35-inch screen, perfect for an immersive gaming experience. Its battery life is substantial, ensuring you can play for hours without needing a recharge. Under the hood, it packs a powerful processor designed to handle demanding games. The tablet's gaming capabilities are further enhanced by its 120 Hz refresh rate, providing smooth visuals. It also features advanced cooling technology to prevent overheating during long gaming sessions. Introduction. The OnePlus Pad Go 2 is a newly launched Android tablet from OnePlus, positioned as a mid-range contender with premium touches, a large 12.1 inches 2.8K 120 Hz display, MediaTek Dimensity class chip, huge battery, stylus support, 5G option, and clean Oxygen OS experience. It aims to stand out in the crowded budget/mid-range tablet space, offering more than just basic media consumption and productivity features. But is it a flagship killer for gaming? Let's break that down thoroughly. 1. Specifications and hardware overview. Before we dive into gaming, here's what's under the hood. Chipset, MediaTek Dimensity 7300 Ultra 4 nanometers. CPU and GPU, octa-core CPU with mid-range GPU tune for balanced performance. RAM, 8GB LPDDR5X. Storage, 128GB, 256GB UFS 2.2 on 128GB, UFS 3.1 on 256GB. Display, 12.1 inches LCD, 2.8K, 120 Hz, up to 900 nits brightness. Battery, 10,050 mAh, 33W SuperVOOC fast charging. Operating system, Oxygen OS 16 Android 16. Extras, stylus support 4096 levels, 5G on selected models, quad speakers, 7:5 aspect ratio ideal for multitasking and media. This configuration places the Pad Go 2 firmly in the mid-range tablet class, not in the flagship tier dominated by Snapdragon 8 series or Apple's M series chips. 2. Gaming performance analysis. Benchmarks and theoretical performance. N2, around 1 million points mid-range class. Geekbench, CPU multi-core in the 3000 range. GPU scores OpenCL/Vulkan, indicative of capable but not elite graphics performance. These scores make the Pad Go 2 competitive with other mid-range Android tablets but well below flagship's OCS and far below flagship-grade GPU performance. Real-world gaming tests. What games run well? Casual and mid-tier titles like Asphalt 9, Call of Duty, Mobile, BGMI, COD run smoothly at medium settings. Stable frame rates at average play durations. The large 12.1-inch screen plus 120 Hz panel increases immersion. Limits with demanding games. High-end games like Genshin Impact can run, but only at lower settings to maintain playable frame rates. For intensive graphics shaders, long sessions can show frame drops, slight pixelation, or thermal throttling under sustained loads. Thermals and sustained gaming. The Dimensity 7300 Ultra keeps heat under reasonable control. It doesn't throttle aggressively, but performance headroom is limited compared to flagship chips, so while long sessions are possible, peak output is capped. Overall gaming experience. Great for casual gamers and light to medium gaming. Not suited for heavy, high FPS competitive gaming where graphical fidelity and high frame rates matter. 3. Display and audio, gaming enhancers. The 12.1-inch display with high refresh rate and good brightness adds a considerable quality boost to gaming visuals, even on medium settings. The quad speaker setup also enhances audio immersion. However, LCD panels don't match AMOLED contrast and HDR depth, but in this price segment, the display still outperforms most rivals. 4. Battery life in gaming context. One of the standout advantages. 10,050 mAh battery lasts through extended sessions, even with gaming included. In mixed usage tests, tablets with similar or smaller batteries often run out sooner. 33W charging is not the fastest but adequate given the large battery. Verdict: great battery life plus sustained performance is a strong selling point for gamers who don't want to chase outlets midday. 5. Software and gaming features. Oxygen OS 16 offers bloat-free experience and good optimization. 120Hz refresh rate benefits supported games and system animation. But there's no dedicated flagship gaming mode, unlike some flagship devices with advanced performance tuning and cooler management. The software keeps gaming smooth but doesn't add extra gaming-centric enhancements like network boost or GPU turbo modes found on many flagship phones/tablets. 6. Comparison versus flagship tablets. What it is good at. Excellent all-around mid-range performance. Awesome display and battery. Casual to moderate gaming runs smoothly. Good value relative to price alternatives. What it isn't. A true flagship gaming tablet, no Snapdragon 8 Plus or Apple Silicon class GPU, not designed for 90+ FPS intense gaming across all titles. Downgraded graphics settings required for heavy games. Bottom line, it doesn't beat flagship tablets in sheer gaming power, so calling it a flagship killer in gaming is more marketing than reality. But it does kill the competition in the mid-range segment thanks to balanced performance and value. 7. Verdict: is it a flagship killer? For gaming specifically. No, not in the traditional flagship sense. The hardware isn't on the same level as dedicated gaming-oriented flagship devices. Yes, in the value segment. For under Rs 30-33K $400 tablets, the Pad Go 2 brings premium features and stable gaming you'd expect only in more expensive devices. Who it's best for? Casual and mid-tier gamers. Media consumers. Students and creatives with stylus support. Users who want long battery life plus balanced performance. Who should look elsewhere? Hardcore gamers seeking high FPS and max graphics. Users who need flagship-class benchmarking performance. Quick summary. In terms of specs, the OnePlus Pad Go 2 doesn't disappoint. It comes with ample RAM and storage options, ensuring you have enough space for your games and files. The device also supports the latest gaming technologies, making it a future-proof investment. The display is another highlight, offering vibrant colors and high brightness levels. This makes it ideal for gaming, watching videos, or even casual browsing. OnePlus is also focused on the audio experience, providing high-quality speakers that enhance your gaming experience. With features like Dolby Atmos, you get immersive sound that pulls you into the game. The tablet runs on a customized version of Android, offering a clean and intuitive interface. OnePlus has also included several gaming-centric features, such as a dedicated game mode that optimizes performance. When it comes to performance, the OnePlus Pad Go 2 truly shines. It handles demanding games with ease, providing smooth gameplay and quick load times. The graphics are also top-notch, making for an enjoyable gaming experience. However, like any device, the OnePlus Pad Go 2 isn't without its drawbacks. Some users might find the price a bit steep, especially compared to other tablets on the market. There's also the issue of software updates, which can sometimes be a concern with Android devices. Despite these cons, the pros far outweigh them, making the OnePlus Pad Go 2 a solid choice for gamers. The OnePlus Pad Go 2 enters a crowded market, competing with the likes of iPads and Samsung Galaxy Tabs. Compared to these devices, the OnePlus Pad Go 2 offers competitive specs and pricing. While the iPad might have an edge in terms of ecosystem and software support, the OnePlus Pad Go 2 provides more affordable options. The Samsung Galaxy Tab series, on the other hand, offers more variety in terms of screen sizes and price points. However, the OnePlus Pad Go 2 stands out with its gaming-centric features and aggressive pricing. For gamers looking for a capable tablet without breaking the bank, it's definitely worth considering. In real-life gaming sessions, the OnePlus Pad Go 2 performed admirably. I was able to play demanding games like PUBG and Fortnite without any noticeable lag. The graphics were smooth, and the controls responsive. The tablet's battery life also impressed me, lasting several hours even with heavy use. OnePlus has done a great job in balancing performance and battery efficiency. The audio quality further enhanced my gaming experience, making it feel more immersive. Conclusion: the OnePlus Pad Go 2 is a well-rounded mid-range tablet that excels in everyday use, battery life, and casual gaming. While it doesn't have the raw GPU power to be a true flagship killer in gaming, it dominates its price category by delivering a smooth and immersive experience for most users who don't demand flagship-level gaming performance. If your definition of gaming includes high frame rates at high settings and demanding 3D titles, this isn't that device. But if you want reliable performance, longevity, and great value, the Pad Go 2 is a strong contender and perhaps one of the best sub-30 rupees K tablets available today. In conclusion, the OnePlus Pad Go 2 is a solid gaming tablet that offers great performance and features. I'd give it a rating of 4.5 out of 5, deducting only for the slightly high price. This tablet is perfect for gamers who want a powerful device without the hefty price tag. It's also suitable for anyone looking for a versatile tablet for everyday use. If you're in the market for a new gaming tablet, I definitely recommend checking out the OnePlus Pad Go 2. The device has the potential to offer great value for money, especially for gamers. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to check out my other video on the best gaming accessories. Your thoughts on the OnePlus Pad Go 2 are also welcome in the comments below. Your feedback helps me create more content that you'll enjoy. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews and gaming content. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.